Hello everyone, it is Mr. Squirrel here. I have no idea if my audio improved because now I'm filming on mobile, just because I don't have my PC available. But yeah, ERLC got a new update. Nothing major, but let's go over it. So I'm gonna go over the major point of this update. Is that this river is now frozen over, as you can see here. River's all frozen over. Pretty nice and solid, I'd say. But it's only limited time, so you guys should probably hop on. Stop touching grass. Hey, look, driving around, but oh, the ice appears to break if you go on the ice for too long. Huh? Look at this back here. The ice appears to have broken. Huh? That's unique. Or basically, let's just drive down. And here we are. It's a huge lake. Alright, so a few quick notes, because you probably couldn't hear me over my engine, is that, look, they had a little ramp here for us to get on. I do really like it. I've noticed that there's no traction whatsoever, and a conveniently cut out area.
Good catch all day.
So have I, Bayou Bill. So now we can, yeah, fish. Oh, and just one more thing. You switch over to a police or sheriff really quickly, and you can go up to your thing here, and I believe I bought it. They updated the Chevron Camion for the police team, because like they updated it on the civilian team. See, it has a new grate. You can just see it in there. Pretty nice. They've also improved the top speed by like 10 miles per hour, so it's yeah, pretty good. Well, this was the new ERLC update. It's not big, but I like the frozen river, so yeah.